So this here is our Ryobi pressure washer. You can see it comes with obviously the motor and the unit itself. Comes with the nozzle and wand with an adjustable spray for the different angles and whether you're using soap. Very convenient there. You don't have to switch out individual nozzles. You've got the hose here. This is a high pressure hose. This connects to the nozzle and to the washer unit itself. So the pressure washer is a gas-powered unit. It's got the Honda Easy Start engine in it, which is great. They're always reliable. You've got the oil fill here with the dipstick. You've got the gas canister here. So those are the two fluids you'll have to maintain in here. You've got the pull start to start the engine, and then you've got a little soap canister down here if you're going to be using any sort of detergents in there. And over here you've got the engine switch. Right now it's in the off position, or you can turn it to the on position when you're ready to start it. So it's got the nice wheels on it. These are nice heavy-duty plastic wheels, allows for smooth transport on even and uneven surfaces. The hose management is pretty simple. There's a Velcro strap here that you can use to wrap it around the handle, and also back here just allows you to provide easy transport of the unit without the hose dragging all over the place. The framing on the unit is very solid and robust. It feels like heavy-duty metal of some sort, maybe aluminum. You've got the nice foam cushioned handle here, very comfortable when transporting it, but everything seems to be constructed really well out of this. We've been using it now for a couple months and been very pleased with it. So connections to the base of the unit are very simple. You've got your high pressure hose here, it just threads on. And then you've got your hose connection, also just threads on. And then the other end of the high pressure hose goes right to the wand here, and that just threads on as well. So everything is very quick and easy to get this assembled and ready for use. You've got your nozzle here, which is adjustable, so you can change your different angles. Lower angles will give you higher pressure or higher force coming out. The wider angles will provide a gentler touch on the surfaces you're trying to clean. So before starting the engine, we've got the water connected through the garden hose, and now we're just going to purge out the air from our nozzle. So we're simply just holding the trigger for a little bit till we get a nice steady stream. This will make sure you've got enough water to keep the engine and the pump primed for use. So to start the unit, we just turn the switch to on here, and we use the pull cord. And you can see just how clean that got our one paver here, just over the course of a few seconds. You'll see the comparison of the dirt on the other ones there. So this unit definitely makes for easy work across the yard. So we've got a stain here in our driveway that was due to just setting some colored mulch on it for a few weeks, and we're gonna try and get this washed off. I'm going to show a quick demonstration of just using a garden hose against then the pressure washer. See how they compare. So this was just a couple of minutes after using the power washer on those stains that we had on our driveway, and they are pretty much all removed. We'll do a little bit more power washing just to brighten the rest of the surface up, but we're very happy with how quickly it took care of those pesky stains.